Hello friends, welcome to Exam. In this video we are going to discuss about some facts and some current affairs related to insurance sector. So this is lecture 7 of our insurance and financial awareness series for LIC AAO 2019. Okay, so in the previous 6 videos I have already discussed most of the facts, most of the important points, but there were some which could not be discussed, so I'm discussing them now. Okay, and after this video I think most of the insurance awareness section, most of the insurance awareness is over, but the name of the sector is insurance and financial awareness. So we will be discussing other important financial aspects, organizations, news, and all the points which can be a part of the exam. And this video will help you not only in insurance financial awareness section but also in banking awareness or general awareness section in the phase 1. Okay, so let's start quickly. The first one is Flipkart. We all know about Flipkart has partnered with Bajaj Allianz to provide insurance on mobiles sold on its platform. So the keywords here are Flipkart and Bajaj area. So question may come as Flipkart has partnered with which insurance company to provide insurance on mobile phones, or which company has partnered with Bajaj Allianz, or Flipkart has partnered with Bajaj Allianz to provide insurance on what category of items it sells on its platform. Then second point is E-Secure, E@secure. It is the cyber insurance policy by HDFC Ergo. Okay, so this is this company is by HDFC Ergo. So these two are the keywords. Features of E-Secure is it protect your family against cyber crime. Okay, so cyber crimes are increasing, and according to many reports and the way we are going, cyber crime will become the de facto crime, or will become very important thing, or to know about, and a thing to tackle in the future. So very important. So this point is important. It covers losses incurred due to online fraud transactions, like online fraud transactions, banking transactions. You might be aware of about various people who calls you on behalf of some bank, on behalf of KBC, that they will say that sir, you've won this thing, you've won 20 lakhs and all this thing, but you have to give some money to me so as to start the processing of your winning amount. Okay, some processing charges. So it covers phishing, email spoofing, identity theft. Then third point, ITI reinsurance. It is the first private sector reinsurance company in India. Then Wings is a specially designed mentorship program to empower the female workforce. Okay, and this program has been launched by Aviva Life Insurance Company. So two keywords, Wings and Aviva Life Insurance Company. Okay, IRDAI has mandated private equity firms to stay invested for a minimum of 5 years. Okay, so 5 years a company or a private equity, initial investors, they have to be there, they have to stick with the company for a minimum of 5 years. So 5 years here is the key if this question appears. India Post Payments Bank, IPPB, has tied up with Bajaj Allianz in 2018 to offer life insurance products. Okay, so IPPB customers, bank customers, they will get insurance policies in the bank as well as on their doorstep, and Bajaj Allianz will benefit or has already benefited with the last mile connectivity or the large coverage of IPPB. Okay, because it is India Post Payments Bank. India Post has very good rural as well as urban connectivity. Now, postal life insurance, it was introduced in 1884, so oldest form of insurance. It started as a welfare scheme for the benefit of only postal employees. So in intra department, basically we can say, only for departmental employees, postal employees, and was later extended to the employees of telegraph department. It is the oldest life insurer in the country, postal life insurance, and it is operated by India Post again. It now covers employees of central government, state government, central and state PSUs, universities, so almost all government servants it covers. Okay, it also covers defense services and paramilitary forces. Then we have something called rural life insurance, rural postal life insurance, and it was started on recommendation of R.N. Malhotra committee, okay, which submitted its report in 1994. So in first video I've discussed about R.N. Malhotra committee, very important. Okay, please read and watch that video, very important. Life insurance in rural areas through post offices, so rural postal life insurance. Okay, so in order to increase the penetration of insurance, in order to increase the insurance in rural areas where people normally they don't know about insurance products, which insurance product is useful for them, so this is for them mostly. And government has started a scheme, Sampoorn Bima Gram Yojana, to provide affordable life insurance services to people living in rural areas of the country. Okay, so at least one village having a minimum of 100 households to be identified, and a minimum rural postal life insurance of each will be given to the household. So please read and go through these points. These are important. You just have to know about what Sampoorn Bima Gram Yojana is all about. Okay, then we have International Association of Insurance Supervisors. Please remember the full form of this. It is a voluntary membership driven standard setting organization of insurance supervisors and regulators. So our IRDAI is a member of International Association of Insurance Supervisors. So it makes some standards, okay, so to supervise insurance industry in order to develop, maintain fair, safe and stable insurance. So it was founded in 1994. Headquarters are in Basel, Switzerland, and present Secretary General is Jonathan Dixon. So I think headquarters are important, full form is important, and the purpose is important. Then India Nuclear Insurance Pool. So General Insurance Corporation of India, GICD, along with some other insurance companies, totally 11 insurance companies like Oriental Insurance, National Insurance, launched India Nuclear Insurance Pool. So INIP, full form, please remember the full form. Full form is important, in 2015, and year is important. Okay, it provides insurance. So as the name suggests, it deals with the nuclear sector of India. It provides insurance to cover the liability as prescribed under Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage, CL&D Act. Okay, so it allows nuclear operator, the company which is operating, which is managing a nuclear power plant in India, to sue the suppliers in case of any accident was seen. So suppliers, for India, Russia is a nuclear supplier for India. So in case any accident, in case supplier is supplier found to be has provided with substandard quality products or substandard quality material needed for a nuclear reactor, then it can be sued. Okay, so insurance is also there to support it. So it aims to help in the growth of nuclear power sector in India. Simple. Okay, so guys, this is it, and please go through this video. Please go make your notes and remember and revise. Okay, so this is the mantra, and in further videos we'll be covering all other important topics needed for this exam. All the very best. Keep studying. Thank you.